Hello friends, welcome to Construction World. Today's topic is effect of COVID-19 on construction industry and employment. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इकोनॉमी से। अगर आप देखोगे तो टोटल वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमी जो है वो 193 इकोनॉमी है और टोटल वर्ल्ड की जीडीपी देखा जाए और 3 साल की तो 2018 में $84 ट्रिलियन थी, 2019 में $88 ट्रिलियन थी, 2020 में एक्सपेक्टेड था कि $93 ट्रिलियन होगी और फरवरी तक $91 ट्रिलियन तक पहुंच चुकी थी। बट कोविड-19 की वजह से वो और भी नीचे गिर सकती है। अभी आप इंडिया का जीडीपी देखोगे तो वो $2.72 ट्रिलियन है और जिसमें से इंडिया का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन का पार्ट है सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है। तो कोविड-19 की वजह से जो जीडीपी गिरा है वो यूएस में 5% से गिरा है, जर्मनी में 2.8% से और इंडिया में एक्सपेक्टेड था कि 6.3% रहेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू नीति आयोग 3 ईयर्स प्लान। बट अप्रैल से जून के बीच में जो है वो 9% से गिर सकता है। दोस्तों आपको पता ही होगा कि 2008 का जो रिसेशन था और उससे भी ज़्यादा जो डिप्रेशन आया था 1929 के अंदर। तो अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे कि कोविड-19 की वजह से जो इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस रहेगी वो सबसे ज़्यादा रहेगी जो अब तक किसी ने देखा नहीं होगा। तो दोस्तों इसे और समझने के लिए कि कोविड-19 का इम्पैक्ट इंडियन कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री पे और एम्प्लॉयमेंट पे कैसे पड़ रहा है, तो आइए जानते हैं चिरंजीव मोहता से।
Hello everyone, this is Chiranjeev Mohta and I am going to discuss about the impact of COVID-19 on construction industry and its employment. This pandemic has affected across all the countries over the globe and it is still affecting our economic, physical and mental well-being. As we know, construction industry is a labor oriented. It employs over 49 million people, close to 12% of nation's working population. Further, it has a multiplier effect on 250 allied industry. So a big number is on stake. Construction industry is highly dependent upon the two major components. First is material, second is labor. Few major material that constitutes the major part of the industry are steel, cement, aggregate, sand, etc. Friends, we operate in a truly global marketplace with many products, equipments and components of construction and engineering that being manufactured and shipped from all the corners of the world. Due to the shutdown in many countries like Italy, China, Japan, India, etc., the entire supply chain is disrupted and supply shortage has started impacting rapidly. Now if we quickly draw out few facts of 2019, China produced about 50% of world's steel, 56% of world's aluminium, 58% of world's concrete products. It is also a high manufacturing and exporter of finished products as well as MEP products. It produces about 80% of air conditioning units of the world. Italy is also been a high manufacturing hub of the construction industry, in particular with the stoneworks, with 16% of the marble being processed in the country. Due to this shutdown, the supply is totally at its low peak and the rates could increase. All the industries are at high alert. Solution could be finding an alternate supplier who is negatively infected by the COVID-19. Now talking about the labor part. According to CMIE, that is Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, they state that the employment rate stood up to 23.5% in the last month of April, that is much higher of 8.7% that was recorded in the month of March. So there is an increase in rate of 14.5% in the unemployment of the India. So let's have a quick look on this graph. State-wise unemployment rate differed widely, but if we see the highest unemployment rate of 75.8% was recorded in Pondicherry in the last month of April, followed by 50% in Tamil Nadu, 47% in Jharkhand, 46% in Bihar and 43% in Haryana. So we see this figure, they have increased rapidly in the last month of April, and if this COVID-19 has not been controlled further, we could see more higher losses. According to CRISIL, that is Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited, state that construction and manufacturing are the biggest employers of the industry and they will be more vulnerable to the job losses. Bulk of job losses will be from the informal sectors that constitutes about 90% of nation's working population. Now we have a look on this chart that how vulnerable will be the India's workforce. If we see that agriculture that consists of about 20.53 crores of the nation's working population, the vulnerability is very low as it is an essential service, so it will be less impacted. But if we have a look on the construction and manufacturing industry, they are going to be hit hard as the vulnerability is very high. Friends, as per the analysis and facts we have collected, we can expect a job loss of about 10 to 20 million, and the number can go much higher if the shutdown proceeds. According to me, the fiscal policies should be much flexible and responsive towards the economic disruption and for many businesses, particularly small and middle enterprises. We have seen that how COVID-19 has impacted widely, but let's have a look how it is impacting to an employee's well-being. Friends, let's have a look on this pictorial view that shows how an employee has evolved due to the impact of COVID-19. In past, we used to work 9 to 5, but now there is no timing. Earlier we used to work in our offices, but now our home is our office. Earlier we used to use company equipments, but now we use our personal belongings. Earlier we used to focus on inputs, but now we focus on outputs. Earlier we used to climb the corporate ladder, but now we make our own. Earlier we used to have a predefined work, but now the work is customized and dynamic. Earlier we used to have no voice in the office, but now we can be a leader and we can lead the team. Earlier we relied on email, but now we rely on collaboration technologies. Earlier we used to have corporate learning and technology, and now we have a democratized learning and teaching. So friends, a big question arises whether work from home is a long-lasting method for the employees or not. Think on it.
होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस हम आपके लिए लेके आएंगे। आपको कोई डाउट होगा या फिर कोई टॉपिक पे आपको वीडियो चाहिए होगा तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन ज़रूर करना, और लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए।